Problem of overweight, especially among the working class people of India. Friends, 7 out of 10 people in working class of India are overweight. The average woman health or woman obesity is higher in India. So it means that the chances, if you are a female, then your obesity or your health issues are more problematic just because you are a working class and you don't know how to manage your lifestyle as a working class. In this video, I'm going to cover the 3 aspects or 3 tricks. If you apply these 3 tricks in your life, if you are a working class people, then you can take your fitness phase to the next level. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to achieve their dream fitness. I'm the founder of the community Know Your Fitness, and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India to achieve health, happiness, immunity, and a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. Friends, I still remember that when I used to work in my corporate sector, on that time I used to consume around 5 to 6 teas in my life. I was the salesperson. That's why I need to meet with the client, and on that time I used to think that to build a relationship with my clients I need to have a tea along with them. But it was a wrong concept. And that's why it took me so many years. Even I have been keep on changing my dietitians, but they were not able to help me out because the problem with me was not the diet. The problem with me was the sugar, which was impacting my life. So if you are among the corporate world or if you are a working class people, then try to avoid tea in your work time and give your time to the tea to your home only, along with your family, along with your wife, along with your husband. This is how you can manage so much into it. Not only a tea increase your fat increasing hormone which is known as insulin, but it is also increasing your calorie intake which you are having unawarely in your body. So that's why tea is another socially approved drug where no one just see that how much it impacts a person's body, but still they are consuming. So that's why try to avoid it. The number 2 thing which you need to apply, that go for some small walks. Friends, we are meant to walk. That's why we grow in our evolution also, that we are keep on walking. That's why we keep on getting the new knowledge about the world, about the fire, about the tire, and about the everything else which you can see over here. Even the mobile is also that one person has worked on it. So that's why we need to walk in our life. Those person who do not walk, it is a big problem for them, and the solution is this: take a 2 walks break once. If you are in your work, take a break of walking once you complete or finish your lunch, and take another break once you finish your office. Give 15 minutes to yourself. Just listen to your music. Put your phone on the aeroplane mode. Listen to the music. Be calm. See other world. See the birds in sky. See how the people are reacting. And give yourself and walk. And give yourself some time. Once in the evening, once after your lunch. And you will see the impact not in months but even in just 1 week. The third thing which you need to do, that have some nutritious snacks with you. Have some chia seeds, flax seeds, have some protein powder, you can also have some fruits along with you. Try to have these nutritious things at the time of your middays or mid-evening. For example, at 11 a.m. and at 4 p.m. Try to have these things in your body so that it will give you a marvelous and good sources of energy. I have adapted myself with this. Then after that I have left the tea, and then after that I have left the sugar, and I have started walking in my life, and it impacted me physiologically and psychologically both. So it will work for you also. Friends, these are some of the things, if you apply, then you will see the miraculous changes into you. And it's a say that the ground of happiness is your health. So if you're unhappy from your inside, maybe your health could be the reason. Friends, now I would like to talk about my course. I have brought to you the automatic metabolism reset system, especially designed for the working class people, that how they can reset their metabolism while doing their working. So basically it's a 5-day WhatsApp online classes in which you need to pay very minimum amount, and on the basis of that very minimum amount you will get the 5 recorded courses that how to adapt nutrition and how to adapt the right diet for you. Not only you going to learn about that how to adapt diet, but you will also going to learn that how you can make your own diet and what are the things you can have. As a part of the bonuses, you will get the 5 diet chart of 1 diet cycle. You will get the meditations also. You will get the myths about the food also. There is lot of things which cover your 360 degree of your health. Friends, if you will join my Facebook group, then you will get the free workouts with me at morning at 7 a.m. So it will be totally free for you. On that time, not going to talk anything. I will just come live on my Facebook group, and if you can go with me for the 15 and 20 minutes of workouts, then you should come and join my Facebook group. The third thing which you can do, that I'm giving you my Telegram group link also, so that you can join my Telegram group link, so that in future we will be in connection with each other. So friend, these are the 3 things. If I'm connecting with you in any of this, then you are most welcome to be with me. If you want to contact me directly, then number I'm giving you just below over here, so that you can contact me. Usually I help out people to achieve their fitness level not in months but in days. I believe in the days and in the weeks to achieve their fitness. So if you're connecting with me in any of this, then feel free to contact me. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.